Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I like to show you how you can install iOS 12 beta in your iOS device. This is really simple. For this you need to delete your profile and device management if you have. So I already delete. Here you can see I have no profile and device management because when you install iOS 12 it will automatically download iOS profile and device management in your iOS device. Now for download iOS 12, go to beta.apple.com. So after going beta.apple.com, you need to sign in with your Apple ID. Okay, I am signing. Okay, sign in. After signing, you need to allow, and you will get a verified code. Just submit the verified code in your browser. So here is my verification code. Okay, continue. Okay, here I am in sign in. Just scroll down. So after scroll down, you will get a option get start. Here you can see enroll your iOS device. Just click. Then here you can see download profile. Just click download profile. Select allow. Here you can see iOS 12 software profile, beta software profile. Just click install. Provide your passkey. Select install. It will take a restart. So I restart. It will take some time. It downloading profile and device management and also iOS 12 in your iOS device. Now here is my profile and device management come out. So iOS 12 beta. Here you can see iOS 12 beta software profile. So now go to your settings, then go to general and software update. Here you can see it's iOS 12 public beta 4. It will 2.38 gigs. So I'm downloading and installing. So it will take some time because it's 2.38 gigs. It depends on your internet connection speed. I skip this step so that I keep my video small. So here you can see iOS 12 is installed. So now I like to unlock. So here you can see welcome skin. Continue. Guys, now I like to show my settings. Settings, general, about. Here you can see iOS 12 is already installed. So the build number is 16A5366A. This build number will not match with your iOS maybe, because I already installed public beta 9. So if you install public beta 4 5, then this build number will not be matched with your build number. Don't worry, you'll get more upcoming update. So that's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.